name's Will, and this is a quick video of our air conditioners being kind of installed. So, sorry I couldn't get any video of I'm coming out and helping our HVAC guy out a little bit. But anyways, this is the torch for the brazing he's doing. Carrier Infinity Series. This is the old vacuum pump, nitrogen. We're doing a nitrogen test on this one, and it's doing well, exactly where we left it. That's what I wrote down. Line sets look very nice. We're working on this one. I'll take you downstairs. This is the part that I couldn't get. I'll try to make more video later of brazing and whatnot. Here's the system that's in a pressure test. It's for that line set that goes upstairs. And then there's the downstairs one. Filter dryer. If you have not seen any of this, look onto the HVAC tour of my house videos. See how all of this works. Wiring, plumbing, because we have a boiler. But yeah. Alright. Expect more videos coming. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to watch the HVAC tour of my house videos, part 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think I have a part 5. No. Watch my HVAC tour of my house as part 1, 2, 3, and 4. That will tell you everything about this amazing system. Awesome. So make sure you check those out. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out. Hey guys, my name's Will, and guess what? System number 1 is in the vacuum. So, gauges are all the way open. We're going to run it for about 30 minutes, so 30 micros. And suction line, I did this all myself, so I'm pretty proud of myself. I'm 11 years old. Liquid line here, and vacuum pump. That came out nicely. Yeah. I'm going to try to combine all these into one video. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out. Hey guys, my name's Will, and this is the final video. I'm going to try to edit all of these together. But here they are all installed. All I have to do now is add a tiny bit more refrigerant. You have to do high voltage and low voltage. Other than that, we are good. Burn some of the insulation. I was really expecting just to watch my HVAC guy do most of it, but I came here and he said, oh yeah, hey Will, hook up the manifold and put it in a nitrogen test. I was like, what? So that's how that worked. It was so fun. Got to braze some stuff. I opened up this with the refrigerant. This was factory charged, 9 pounds. Mine says came out absolutely beautiful. High voltage. I still have to run that cable. Other than that, it turned out really nice. the red cable on the manifold went into this one, blue cable went into that one, and the black cable went into either the nitrogen tank or the vacuum pump. Whichever one. That's how that worked, and it worked really nicely. Let's go ahead downstairs. Electrical panels. Over here's the boiler. Nothing changed over here. Same stuff. Nothing really changed here either. But oh yeah, here we go. We have the new condensate drain for the air handlers running into there. I ran that myself. That was really fun. We come up to the crawl space here. Ran from upstairs. We just have it stopping there. I did a lot of masticing. There's the condensate pump. Everything's masticed. No, not everything. I still have to get way down there. That's masticed. I need to get that little corner. This is all masticed. Everything behind that's masticed. Attention, service technician. While cleaning AC/heater filters, also clean the tank and check valve and the bottom of the pump. So the condensate pump, filter door. Put that on. There's a bottle of mastic. Oh yeah, the line sets. Biggest difference here. Emerson liquid line filter dryer, right there. And then the suction line comes down. Came out really nice. I'll make a separate video about the wiring here, because I just figured all of it out, of how the boiler knows how to shut down when everything's off. It's just this wire comes and goes right here. That senses if this one's off, and this one here also senses. This one here gives power to this zoning valve, and it also gives power to this thermostat wire, and it gives power to this red one here, and this one also gives power to this green wire, which comes down to this thermostat wire here, and that gives this one second, let me just find it. Sorry. I guess I'm not going to make a separate video. And, there's the green, the white goes into there. This is just a power wire. There's the red one. Gives power to the, that's just for the hydronic relay. And then the white one right there. That gives power to the zoning valve, or helps get power. And then this one comes over, and this connects in right there and there. And that is for sensing if the zoning valve's on or off. So it connects to the hydronic relay to, which is in the air handler, to make sure that's off, and then it also connects to the zoning valve to make sure that's off. So, that's how that works. Fairly simple. Not really. So I just explained to you how that works. Not the world's most simple thing, but not the hardest to understand either. This just gives power to a bunch of different thermostats and stuff, and it's just many different wires. This is like the main power wire, if you want to think of it that way. And so is this here. These two just give power to pretty much everything. Yeah. It gives power to this and one more thermostat. Yep. Well, that's how that works. Yeah, this wire comes from the hydronic relay. So same thing over there. You have a wire that hooks up to the zoning valve and a wire that hooks up to the hydronic relay. So yeah, that's how that works. I'll make a separate video on it. But